to Sunschool.
Welcome to Sunschool, everyone. Today we are doing a field trip to the Home Depot Kids Workshop, and today's project is a pencil desk organizer. Let's do it. Okay, hi, I'm with Karina at the Home Depot Kids Workshop, and she's going to tell us a few things about how this works. Karina?
Alright, hey.
So what happens when a child first gets here?
So first we have the parents register this form right here. And then we go ahead and hand them a little workshop. Depends on what we're working on. Every month it's a new thing. And then we give them here an apron. We have bigger ones for the big kids and smaller ones over there for the smaller ones. And then they get a little I did it sticker. We have this event here every first Saturday of the month, and it's a different project every month.
And what's today's project, Karina?
Today's project is a little pencil desk organizer right here.
Is this what? Oh, yes. Isn't that cute how this can turn out? And then don't the children get like a certificate and a pen?
Yeah, they get a pin inside of this little project thing. There's a pin in there and a certificate, and then we give them this, celebrating 25 years of our kids' workshop. Yeah, that's pretty much what we do here.
Thank you so much, Karina. It looks like there's a few people that want to sign up, so we're going to go ahead and get out of the way. Ooh, you get to make one!
I already have one.
You have an apron already?
Yeah,
okay. Just box it. There you go, you get to make one. Okay, so today's project is a pencil desk organizer, and as you can see, the package comes with a list of detailed instructions for the child. And Home Depot provides paints, screwdriver, the hammer here, and then they also give you a pack of nails, and then there's the wooden pieces here, right? And then there are also some stickers for the project, and this is what the finished product should look like. So this is going to be exciting.
Yeah, you guys have to hold it straight up, okay? We go straight through, right?
Mom, watch me do it all by myself.
Okay.
Okay, no, we got it.
Pouring on some glue.
There we go, that's pretty cool. Hold the wood piece in place. Yeah, can you hold the wood piece in place? Okay, so the hand, okay.
I have to blow dry out.
Yeah, do that side only. There you go. You barely got some, like actually get it in there. See?
So this is kind of fun. Some of the children, here's some of the finished products some of the other children completed here. Quite colorful, huh? So as you can see, there's lots of families out today. Look at all these people. This is a very popular kids activity, and it's free for the family. So if you have a Home Depot in your area, you should come out and bring the children. You'll have a great time.
That's lined up. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Is that lined up? Yes. Okay. Okay.
Good job, honey.
Put that there. Put that there. Here.
Let's put on the stickers.
Wait, that's it.
We're almost finished.
Also, face it also. Yeah, face this way.
Wow, that looks
Wait, don't press
great.
it down yet. Don't press it down yet. There we go.